Hi, this is Jay and welcome back to the channel. Glad you're here. I thank you for watching the video this week. I'm going to be planning for the week of May 18th through the 24th. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have some other things that I have to do, but I wanted to make sure I got my planning in. I got to talk to you guys for a little bit this week. I got some stickers as a gift from Amazon.com. They were from Violette Stickers. I did the, I'll be putting up the haul video so you can see those stickers. So I'm going to get started. And it's a fairy thing for this week. I made this little paper clip thing that I'm going to clip on my, that I'm going to clip on the pages, and it goes like that. So I'll have that to clip on my page this week, so I'll be able to find it in my planner when I shut it down or wherever I slip the pages out. I like making these little paper clips, altered paper clip things that I have. I did a video with the altered paper clips in it, and it's just those on the back of a picture or something that you use. So if you want to see how I make these, it's my Create With Me altered paper clips, and they're pretty good. So I'm going to get started with my this week's Plan With Me. I want to get these stickers down here, get them ready, get myself ready. I'm going to like this one this week because these are, if I can get them down right. Oh, move this one out the way. I never work with two. So I'm hoping everybody's had a good week, a good weekend. The weather was kind of nice, but not that great. But enough to enjoy a little bit of outside time. Oh, I'm having a hard time with getting these stickers down straight, to get these down straight today. There we go. We got that one down there. And I want to put a couple of butterflies here to go with that. I got, so this little thing were they're pull this other way. These are clear vellum type ones. So I had to go and white out all of the lines first so that I could have, so that I wouldn't see the lines going through it because they're clear. So if you go and buy these ones from Violette Stickers, they're clear. So if you put them in your planner, I got them for a gift, but I went to look them up to see what they cost because I wanted to order some more. They're not very costly, so you can get a whole planner layout for like $5. So just kind of want to hope I'm in frame. I always seem to get out of frame somehow, but I'm hoping I'm in frame. So this week had a lot of discussions with people and stuff like that about everything opening back up and how we felt about everything opening back up, and were we planning on actually going out and everything, and going to all the going back out to everything that's open up. I had to go out on Saturday and notice that there were more people out than normal because I had to go to the grocery store and get a few things. There are more people out than normal. A lot of people out without masks. I think the only thing that bothers me when I'm out and I'm at the store is that for some reason, people always want to creep up on you. Can't figure people out, like they can't social distance very well. There you are in the line picking up your thing. You look up for a second and it creeped up on you again. But anyway, I did that, came back home, took a little nap, and got some other stuff done. I was planning on trying to make a few shakers because I'm not very good at the shaker card thing. So I'm not the best crafter in the world. I love to craft. I'm one of those new crafters who just, started crafting a little bit ago, enjoy making things. So if you join me for one of my craft with me's, remember I'm not like the most professional crafters, but I do love it. And I think that's all that's important, that you love it and that you enjoy what you're doing. And it's kind of like with planning, you just enjoy what you're doing and you keep doing it because you love it. And that's the most important thing. Do what you love. I think we're finding out that you got to do what you love. You got to do what you like. So that's what we're finding out, that those are the things that are important, doing what you like, having fun with what you like. I think I missed the part that you don't get to see a lot of people. I have couple friends that by now we would have had a little, or started having our crab feasts and our double eggs and stuff like that. I miss them. Next week I gotta make plans to try to go out again. Got a doctor's appointment. She doesn't want to do it by video, so I'm gonna have to try to make my way out again. And if I go out again, I want to see if I can get down to the post office. I haven't been there. So, and it's time to start working in my garden. Okay, I like how that looks. What do you think? What do you think about that? How does that look? Let me see if I got the whole thing in frame for you. There. I like how that looks. I want to put this little puffy butterfly right there. She could be looking at the puffy butterfly. Okay, let's do the second half. Sorry, I knocked my camera there. Let me see if I got it back. Got the camera back, got it back. Okay, so I wanna start working in my garden. So I wanna get up early one morning, see if I can get, I rode by when I was out, I rode by the Home Depot. Oh my goodness, the Home Depot and the Lowe's, filled with folks. I was like, no way am I doing that. But I wanted to get some of my flowers really bad. I was like, oh man, can't get no flowers. So I'll have to figure that one out, how I'm gonna do that. When I was talking to one of the ladies that I work with, and she said she was able to go to, instead of Home Depot where she usually went to, she went to one of her local garden stores, and a local nursery, and they were able to, get her mulch and everything, and nobody was there, and it was really nice. And I'm thinking, okay, maybe I need to find a local garden store and go there instead of trying to get into Home Depot and the other place where it's so crowded and it's like everybody's there. And so, do you find it, how is everybody else finding that with everything opening up? Are you ready to venture back out, or do you just kind of want to just wait a little bit before you venture back out? How are you feeling about that? And the other question is, do you feel like once we get back out that our lives are changed forever, that all the stuff that we knew before won't be the same? That if we did things one way and things were that way, that some of the things that were part of our life that we did before won't be the same anymore, and so we'll have to make changes and adjustments to the way we do things? Do you feel that way about where we're going to be at in all of our stuff anymore? I kind of feel that way. I feel that some of the things that we knew, we won't ever go back to doing it again. And then some of the things that we learned, importance of family, importance of things that are important, those kind of things, we're praying that those will stick with us as we move forward. Going back to work's going to be different. How do you feel about going back to work? If you worked in a large office building, how do you feel about that? Getting the chance to go back to your offices? How are you feeling? Are you feeling confident about that? Are you thinking that maybe it's kind of frightening for you? So let me know in the comments how you're feeling about everything opening up again, and if you feel like I feel that some of the things that we knew in the past won't be the same anymore, that some of the things that we knew in our life and the way our life was, it will no longer be that way. So let me know how you feel about that. Let's have a little discussion in the comments there about how you feel about it. Okay, that looks pretty good. I like it. The vellum ones, they're kind of hard to get going. All right. So this is my spread for the week. Fairies. Fairy Garden. And it's from Violette Stickers. So these are the Violette Sticker planner spread. Here's my little fairy thing. I'm gonna stick it up here. My paper clip, fairy paper clip. If I get my paper clip on there. So here we go. That's my fairy paper clip and my fairy spread for the week. Hope you have a good week. If you like this spread this week, could you give me a thumbs up? If you like what I'm doing here on the channel with my plans with me, my hauls, and my create with me, come on over and subscribe. I thank you for joining me today. To my new subscribers, again, thank you. To those who watch and who haven't subscribed so far, come on and subscribe. Press that subscribe button. Check me out. You got it, as my thing here says, you got to start somewhere. Start here. Be with me in my plan. Be with me on my channel, Tjayebirds Journey. Thank you for joining me. Have a really good, safe, and blessed week. Love you guys. Bye.